eighth subdivision. Solution. Before taking this sum, I am going to consider let x is equal to tan theta. This is x. Let x is equal to tan theta. This is a consider. We need to consider. There is no other way. dx by dt theta. Tan theta differentiate is nothing but secant square theta. Now this d theta moves this side. Dx is equal to secant square theta into d theta. Dx is nothing but secant square theta into d theta. Since this integration is with respect to x, this integration is with respect to x, these limits are x. X is 0 to 1. Now, since it is converted into d theta, now this limits of x I mean to convert into theta. So, theta. If x is equal to 0, tan 0, if x is equal to 0, I put here 0, x is equal to 0. When tan will become 0? At 0 only. So, put 0 as it is. When x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, when tan theta will become 1 and nothing but pi by 4. At pi by 4 only tan becomes 1 because 45 no, pi by 4, that's all. After writing this, you can apply. Before applying, I am going to assume once again, listen very carefully, I is equal to, let I is equal integration of 0 to 1, I can write as 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, listen very carefully, 0 to pi by 4. Log 1 plus, what is x we have assumed? Tan theta divided by 1 plus, what is x square? Tan square theta dx. What is dx? Secant square theta into d theta. Dx is nothing but secant square theta into d theta. Once again, 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. We will change this trigonometric nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. We need to write secant square theta. Already secant square d theta is present here. Secant square theta cancel. Then I is equal to, listen very carefully, I is equal to log 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Limit is 0 to pi by 4. Keep it as equation 1. This equation is very necessary for sum after deriving few steps. So keep this as 1. After writing this one as equation 1, I am going to use one property. Nothing but f of x into dx. Limit 0 to a, we can write f of a minus x into dx, limit 0 to a. Nothing but whatever the limit present here, a minus x, that's all. A minus x. So same, right? I as it is, I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log, listen very carefully, 1 plus tan. In theta only we need to write tan pi by 4 minus theta. Pi by 4 minus theta, close the bracket, d theta, close the bracket, d theta. What I written? In place of x, I need to write a minus x. In place of theta, I need to write pi by 4 minus theta. That's all. You know another formula also. What is the formula we know? Tan a minus b. Tan a minus b. What is the formula? Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This formula we studied in 11th standard. Tan a minus b. Tan a minus b. So this one you can take it as a. This one taken as b. Tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 log, open the bracket, keep 1 as it is. Now apply the formula tan a minus b. Tan a minus b. Tan a. What is a here? Pi by 4 minus tan b. Tan theta. Tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Now close the bracket. After writing this, the same I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log, open the bracket, 1 plus, what is tan pi by 4? Nothing but 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus, what is tan pi by 4? 1. 1 into tan theta is tan theta. I forget to write d theta. Write d theta finally is equal to, I put equal to and continue here. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 log, open the bracket, cross multiply 1 plus tan theta, this 1 plus and moves 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta whole divided by 1 plus tan theta, close the bracket d theta. So minus tan theta plus tan theta cancel. Next, what is the remaining here? 1 plus 1, 2. The remaining is nothing but 2. I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4. What is present here? Log, open the bracket, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta. 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. We know the formula. What is the formula? Log m by n. Log m by n is nothing but log m minus log n. The same I want to use here. I is equal to limit 0 to pi by 4 log, this is m, this will be n, log m minus log, what is n here? 1 plus tan theta, put whole bracket and write d theta. Now I am going to separate the limit here. How I am going to separate? I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus integration of 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta. D theta is common. I put d theta here also, d theta here also. D theta is common for both the one. I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2. Log 2 is constant, put outside. Log 2 is constant, put outside. D theta alone present here minus. What is this one? 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta. D theta is nothing but I. So I can put I here. Put in bracket using 1. So minus I come this way becomes plus I. I plus I, 2I. Log 2 is constant, no, put outside. Integration of d theta. Integration of dx is x. Integration of d theta is theta. What is the limit present here? The limit is nothing but 0 to pi by 4. Therefore, log 2, open the bracket, upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore, 2i is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 into log 2. This 2 comes here. 2 4s are 8. I is equal to pi by 8 into log 2 is the required answer for this sum. This sum derives somewhat plenty only, but no problem. We need, if we going to derive this sum twice or thrice, then it will be very easy for you. We have used how many? See, we have used one of the indication. This is a must. We need to know this one. Next we know one of the one property and one formula. Once again, divide and rule formula. After that, we have getting the answer.